Do ya?
Uh-huh.
What do you like about it?
Walking with my wagon and high heels on.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. Who you got in your wagon?
Sandals and my puppy.
Oh, sandals and your puppy. Haven't needed them sandals yet though, huh?
Nope.
Hey, I wonder who's hiding in that stroller over there. Who's in there?
He's still awake.
Oh, hi.
Take a video of me.
Hey, partner.
Thanks.
Yep.
I like walking because I forget sometimes I'm walking. What do you like about walking?
What do I like about walking? It's just good exercise, you know, it's good for our heart. It's nice to get outside and check out the neighborhood. Mm-hmm.
So, how do you feel like whenever animals go around your head whenever you're busy?
When animals go around your head when you're busy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's what happens in cartoons, isn't it? Birds fly around your head. Yeah, that's pretty neat. I wish birds flew around my head when I was busy. I'd get busy all the time.
Because sometimes I don't know what I'm doing. She's smiling.
Let's see that.
She's smiling. Oh, come on. Where'd it go?
Are you pretending that you weren't?
Where'd
Are you
it
pretending you weren't
go?
smiling?
You were smiling. Remember, take a video of me.
Yeah, I have been. Like
Okay.
crazy. But I think I'm going to stop now, okay? So I can just walk.
Okay, I'm gonna see the video, please.
Well, when we get home, okay? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy. I'm gonna miss you.
Oh, well, I'll be right here.